will now hear from one of the Magna Cum Laude graduates of Class 2023, ladies and gentlemen, for her valediction, Ms. Zhaira Orenday.
To our school administrators, headed by our acting president, Attorney Zhaira Orenday, honorable guest speaker, Dr. Enrique Maila, the faculty, staff, parents and guardians, and to the class of 2023, good afternoon. For several years, we have spent majority of our days pursuing our goal. There are moments when we are giving our all and expecting a favorable outcome. That is when we usually make mistakes and fail. Life will really test our determination. But just like Paulo Coelho said, the secret of life is to fall 7 times and to get up 8 times. Those sleepless nights, preparing for our quizzes and exams, sometimes kapag napabalik na yung paper mo, mapapaisip ka na lang, sana pala natulog na lang ako, kasi wala yung review mo. When the pandemic struck, as almost everyone was affected, some of us used to travel from our houses to our relatives' house just to have our examinations. Why? Kasi yung bahay niya is located in a rural area and the internet coverage there is limited. And sometimes the connection is unstable. So you have to stay there for a few days to finish all your exams kasi mas malakas yung internet connection nila. Plus, during that time, the only device that you can use is your phone. So to those graduating students who are already proud of the scholarship, let's be proud of what we have accomplished through that. Those scholarships help us and our parents pursue our studies without worrying about kung saan kukuha ng tuition. Sino mag-aakala na dahil sa mga scholarship natin yun, mararanasan natin maging student leader or even compete outside CEFI for academic and non-academic competitions. And ang bonus pa doon, manalo and mailagay ang mga cases natin sa mga publication materials at may post sa page ng Senate. We got the chance to experience those things which at first we were afraid of. We stepped out of our comfort zone and let our abilities and faith guide us. I know that just like everyone else, our goal is to be successful in life. Even though we have different versions of success, I know that success is our main driver to continue in our life. But as you are in the process of achieving your dreams, there are times when you'll feel pressured and lost, and you will definitely doubt yourself. Minsan, aabot ka sa point na bigla ka ng iiyak habang gumagawa ng task. Our sleepless nights didn't mean nothing, because the mere fact that we are here, holding our diploma, is already proof that our sacrifices are all worth it. Gumana yung papamanifest sa Facebook ng mga beshi mo. For now, this is already our greatest achievement. An achievement that we can give to our parents. An achievement that we can achieve because of good people who tirelessly helped us and guided us. Indeed, the time will come when all your hard work and sacrifices will pay off. As we have already surpassed those challenges as we pursue our dreams, let's thank the people behind our achievement. To God, for giving us the chance to experience everything. This moment really made me realize that when you make efforts toward your ultimate goal, the other things will also come. To CEFI, the seat of Ibali's honored scholarship and service, and to the Kalayan family, I am still in awe that I will start and finish my college journey as a Karunungan scholar. And to Dr. Maria Teresa and Fergal, as I witness how dedicated she is in helping Sasis who are also in need of scholarships. And on behalf of the other scholars that we have taught, thank you po. To our respective departments, to our advisor who will never give up on giving advice on how should we address our assessment result, and to our advisors since 2018 who never failed to support and always push and make effort in making us always feel worth it. And to our dean, CJ Porpalan, yung pagiging strict and nakakatakot mo po help us to do better, not just in terms of academics, but also with our perception of life and our career branding. And on behalf of CEF students, thank you po. To our beloved friends that became our motivators, kasi nagchika, frustrations and rants, mga person that when you ask if nag-review na ba, and pinag-reply lang sa'yo is, hindi pa eh, tinawagan ako mag-aral, and then boom, one of your words. To Salogin, empowered women at katagan ng thesis skills. Thank you so much. To the Accountancy Founder and Board of Trustees, thank you for supporting my studies and instilling the values of generosity, volunteerism, and integrity. To all our athletes, uncles, and cousins that became our lifesaver. And last, but most importantly, to our parents for believing in us in school. To be honest, this is my first graduation which my father attended for. And I wanted to be worth it. And that's a super vibe with God. He gave me the chance to share how lucky I am to have a supportive parents, as my education has never been sacrificed. To all our parents, salamat po sa pagtulad sa amin sa realidad ng buhay. It made us appreciate the things we already have and create success in which integrity and humanity will not be affected. Maraming salamat po. This is all for you. And I know what we are struggling with here, procrastination, or probably even self-doubt. And I am so proud to see ourselves show up. We did our work and keep on tracking no matter what. Adversity never gets the better of us. As we start another chapter of our lives pursuing our goals, some of us will have our respective licensure examinations. We'll be working aligned with our degrees. We'll continue to pursue higher education. Or even we'll still be figuring out what to do next. Let ourselves learn from what we are doing. We can still learn something from the people we met and opportunities that are given to us to become a better version of ourselves. Sasis, class of 23, I wish you continued success in all your future endeavors and let's even spread our wings and take the green from the sky because we are success and forever will be. Let's go for our goals to victory. Congratulations to all of us, class of 2023.
Congratulations, Zhaira Orenday from Bachelor of Accountancy, Magna